Hi everyone, this is Ms. Diz here, and I'm coming at you with a new vlog about the latest updates about Tiana's Bayou adventure and when exactly it is expected to open, and some more details that Disney did release today for Mardi Gras. Before we get started, please subscribe to the Ms. Diz channel so you don't miss any of my updates about Walt Disney World and Disney Cruise Line. A lot of people have been wondering when Disney would actually tell everyone this ride, this new attraction would be opening, and today we got confirmation that Tiana's Bayou Adventure will be opening at the Magic Kingdom in the summer of 2024, obviously meaning this summer, and at Disneyland later in the year. That's pretty big news because the summer is only a couple of months away, and it means they're probably almost done with the update of this attraction. And you can see the announcement image right here. So you see coming soon, and here is Tiana, and she will actually be coming to the Grand Floridian in this outfit at 1900 Park Fair in April. That was just announced last week. In this announcement, Disney did give some information about the audio animatronics that we can expect when we do take a ride on this attraction for the first time. So they do show the animatronic of Tiana, so let's take a look at that on the actual official announcement. Here we are at the Disney Parks blog, and we can see the announcement, and they give us 5 things we can expect when this attraction opens this summer. Number 1, dozens of new audio animatronic figures. So we can see there's Tiana, and you can see them actually creating her audio animatronic. And it does say that no one makes audio animatronics just like Disney, and they actually give us a video of her moving.
Hello, you're here. I have something very special to show you. Follow me. Tiana, you are looking good. This will be the very first time that our guests who experience Tiana's Bayou Adventure will be able to meet her. So we can't wait for you to come and experience this attraction. See you in the Bayou, summer of 2024. Bye!
I wasn't expecting them to actually show us Tiana moving, this animatronic actually coming to life, and I do think it's quite impressive, and I've been hearing other people actually shocked by just how amazing she looks. I really like her outfit. The colors are really nice, that green on her jacket. I like how she moves, and she looks really realistic. Number 2, bands in the Bayou. Speaking of new friends, the Bayou will be getting a whole swamp full of new neighbors with friendly critters joining the adventure with Tiana. Not only are they musically talented, but they're also resourceful. They built their own instruments from natural materials they found in the Bayou. And you can see here below that description, a little photo here, and you can see the alligator, and he says, come join the party, and he's playing some music. I'm assuming there's going to be a lot of New Orleans sound like jazz in this ride, really paying homage to where Tiana comes from. Number 3, music from the Big Easy. There's a lot to enjoy about New Orleans, and one of my favorite things is hearing all the jazz, music, and more. We've already talked about how we are collaborating with industry legends PJ Morton and Terrence Blanchard on new original music from the ride, alongside some of the tunes from the Walt Disney Animation Studios film, The Princess and the Frog. Basically, I was right. There is going to be a lot of New Orleans jazzy kind of sound when it comes to the music in this attraction. It wasn't really a hard guess to make, and they will be getting some new people to make some new sounds and songs for this attraction. They won't just be using the songs from the actual movie, but they will be incorporating some of the songs we have already known from the actual movie, The Princess and the Frog. Number 4, the return of the drop. Is there anything better in the summer than a stomach swooping drop that ends with a cool wave of water? Well, maybe one of Tiana's bagnettes. I can't wait to ride a log down the 50-foot drop again as part of the all-new Story to Love. Disney obviously realized opening this new attraction would be better in the summer because there is a drop where you get wet, and it's not so fun getting soaking wet in the fall, and it's not so fun getting wet in the fall. It just doesn't bring the same type of enjoyment as it does in the Florida summer heat. Number 5, more Tiana. This ride will be all about Tiana after she made her own dreams come true, and how we all have the potential to make our dreams a reality. In Tiana's Bayou adventure, she's throwing a festive party during Mardi Gras season to thank her family, friends, and the entire community for all the support they've given her as a successful business owner. It's incredibly special that we get to celebrate with her. And here we can see an image. Don't forget, book your bands for Mardi Gras season. We can't wait for you to come join the party when Tiana's Bayou adventure opens at Walt Disney World Resort in Florida this summer, and later in 2024 at Disneyland Park in California. For now, I leave you with a new phrase I've learned as I get into the Mardi Gras spirit. Laissez les bons temps rouler. Let the good times roll, and happy Mardi Gras. And they do leave us with another little TikTok video. That is the end of the actual reveal at Disney Parks blog. The major things we learned in this reveal is that the attraction will be opening in the summer of 2024. And if I had to take a guess, I think that's a really big thing for them. And I would assume that this attraction will be opening at the early end of the summer rather than the late end of the summer. We did see Tiana's Animatronic, which does, in my opinion, look pretty incredible and is bringing some new updated technology to Walt Disney World. I especially like her adventure outfit. I love the look, as I said before. And finally, music is going to be very important in this attraction. It is going to reflect New Orleans and the famous sound, the jazz sound that comes from there. And there will be a heavy focus on Mardi Gras and just a huge celebration of the culture of New Orleans. What did you think of all these reveals? Are you more excited than you were before about Tiana's Bayou adventure opening? Do you think it's smart that Disney is opening this attraction in the summer of 2024 and then opening later at Disney California? Let me know all your thoughts down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Miss Dish channel so you stay up to date with all my news updates from Walt Disney World and Disney Cruise Line.